Each one element should have the class pink text. So pink text we've got. So in between there and there, oh shit, excuse the French, pink text. Oh Jesus. Pink text space blue text. Both blue text and pink text should be all belong to the same H1 element. So I need a class of dot blue text parentheses color blue semicolon. Yabba dabba do. Override class declaration by style ID attributes. We just proved that the browsers read CSS from top to bottom in order of their declaration. That means that if in the event of a conflict, the browser will use whichever CSS declaration came last. Notice that if we even had put blue text before pink text in our H1 elements classes, it would still look at the declaration order and not the order of their use. But we're not done yet. There are other ways that you can override CSS. Do you remember the ID attributes? Let's override pink text and blue text ID classes and make your H1 element orange by giving the H1 element an ID and then styling the ID. Give your H1 element the ID attribute of orange text. Remember, ID styles look like this. So ID equals orange text, okay. Leave the blue text and pink text classes on your H1 element. Create a CSS declaration for your orange text ID and your style element. Here's an example. So we need to go back up here and then do hash orange text parentheses color colon orange semicolon. So the ID will override it. Override class declarations with inline styles. So we've proven that the ID declaration override class declarations regardless of whether they are declared in your style element CSS. There are other ways you can override CSS. Do you remember inline styles? Use an inline style to try to make your H1 element white. Remember, inline styles look like this. Style equals color colon green semicolon. Leave the blue text and pink text classes on your H1 element. So style equals color semicolon. That's white it wants to be.